Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on how to check deleted Safari history on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. To check Safari history on your iPhone using the Settings app. Open the Settings app on your iOS device. Scroll down and find the Safari option, then tap on it. On the next page, scroll to the bottom and tap on Advanced. In the Advanced section, tap on Website Data. Here, you'll see a list of websites, including those visited in private mode. To view the full list of websites, tap on Show All Sites at the bottom of the list. If you want to remove all website data, scroll down and tap on Remove All Website Data at the bottom of the screen. Now you know how to check deleted Safari history on your iPhone. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.